Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to install apps on iPhone. First, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can just tap on the airplane mode for once to turn off your internet connection, and you just need to turn off the airplane mode and it will just reset your or restart your internet connection. You can also turn off the Wi-Fi connection and you can just turn it back again. After that, you can just follow the next steps. That is, you can just go to the Play Store and this App Store actually, and make sure that you are connected with your Apple ID on your App Store. If you don't connect it with your Apple ID on your App Store, then you can just log into your App Store with your Apple ID with the credential of your Apple ID, like the email and password, and you have to go through a verification process. After that, you must need to check the storage. If you don't have enough storage, then you can find this type of error all from App Store. So you can just tap on General, and from here tap on iPhone storage. If you don't have enough storage to install an application on your device, then it will show you that error that unable to install apps on your iPhone or this device. So you can just search for the applications and you will find the application size and the data size here at the right side of your screen. Now you have to find out the application that you don't use, you have used for a long time. So you can just tap on it and you can just tap on this delete app button here to delete that applications. So that's how you can just delete that application to free up your space here and also the RAM, and you can just delete some photos and medias like videos, long file or heavy file videos. Also you can just free up some space by deleting this application from your device. So then you can just try to install that application from App Store and see that if its error occurs or not. If it occurs, then you just need to go to the settings and you have to go to the screen time here and tap on this content and privacy restrictions. From here, make sure that in allowed apps and features is all of this is turned on, and then you can just turn off this content and privacy restriction. But if you don't want to turn it off, then you can just go to the App Store and move media, web and games section, and from here you can just find the apps. Now you will find that do not allow, and it won't allow you the apps that can be harmful or that content some third-party data or any type of malicious data. So you can just turn it off, and you can just now try to install the app on your device, but I prefer you to turn it on your device. Then you just need to make sure that if that application is available on your country or location. In your App Store, you just need to set up your location on your App Store, and after set up your location, you can just find out that if that application is available on your location or not. If it's not available on your location, then you can actually install that application on your iPhone. So you can just follow all these methods, and you can keep in mind all that talks and all that points, so you can just solve this error. Hope you got this video helpful. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.